All right. So let's talk about your sleep because you mentioned you're getting 7 to 8 hours, but you're still waking up feeling wrecked and tired. Yeah. Okay. So that's actually really common. I've had so many clients say the same thing. Tino, I'm going to bed early and I'm getting 7 to 8 hours. So why do I feel exhausted when I wake up? And the answer is usually this. You're getting the sleep, but you're not getting recovery. And this is key. You've got the hours, but not the quality. All right. Because what most people forget is that what you do in the 2 to 3 hours before bed massively impacts how well you're going to sleep, your sleep quality. So let me share something I give to most of my clients. I want to give to you today that hopefully can help you. This is called the 3 to 1 sleep rule. Super simple, 3 to 1. But when you actually apply this, it's going to be a game changer. Okay. So here's how it works. 3 hours before bed, cut out all the food. Give your body time to digest. If you eat too close to bed, even something light, your digestive system is going to continue to be active. And that pulls energy away from your recovery. So try to finish dinner 3 hours before you're in bed. Nothing crazy. Just give yourself some of that space. Okay. 2 hours before bed, no work. And I know this is a big one, especially if you got a busy job and you got a lot going on and you always like to work. But your brain needs time to shut off. And if you're always answering emails, working on your laptop, or even thinking about work, your mind always going to be switched on and it's not going to wind down. Okay. So 2 hours before bed, step away. Have a conversation, watch something light, read, stretch, meditate. Give your brain some time and some space to wind down. 1 hour before bed, no screens. I know this is a hard one, but it makes a massive difference. No phones, no TV, no scrolling on TikTok. Your brain sees that blue light and thinks it's still daytime. So melatonin doesn't release properly. So this is key. So cut it off 1 hour before bed. Instead, I want you to stretch, journal, read, just something simple, just to help you relax. I know it's boring, but it works. Okay. And this is going to tell your body this is time to wind down. So here's what I want you to do or try this week. And let's not overcomplicate it. Just pick two things. Okay. Finish eating 3 hours before bed. Put your phone down and cut the screen 1 hour before your sleep. This is key. Try this for 3 to 5 nights in a row. Seriously, just do that. And I think from what I've seen and the experience that I've had, that you're going to wake up feeling a lot clearer. Your brain's going to be less foggy. You're going to have more energy and you're going to feel more rested as well. All right. Look, your time in bed matters, but it's what you do before bed. That's what decides how powerful your sleep really is. So let's start here and see how your energy shifts. Is that cool? All right, let's do it.